Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm just gonna be doing a get ready with me. I'm not gonna be doing a tutorial. It's just like to chill. I'm just gonna go to an appointment. You know what? Let me. Cause that looks nasty. I just got a brand new microphone. It's called a Lavalier, or something like that. You know me, I can never pronounce anything the right way. But yeah, I just got this microphone from Amazon. I'll leave the link below if you guys are interested. If you guys are looking for a microphone, it was pretty cheap. I think I paid like $9 for this one. And since I have Amazon Prime, I didn't pay for the shipping, and it got here pretty fast. I think I ordered it like 2 days ago, and it just got here. So I was like, let's just do a video since we have something new. Anything you add to the videos, it's like, you know, it helps you out a lot. For quality mostly. I'm also waiting for a photography kit, which would have the soft boxes, and it's gonna have those reflectors, this like the round reflectors. They're like foil or whatever. I can't wait to see the quality of light that it's gonna provide. If you wanna start a YouTube video, you can always just start with whatever you have, or save up a little bit of money and then try to like accumulate your little studio so that you can record your videos. But I mean, if you're really into doing this, don't be afraid to start. We all gotta start somewhere, right? So right now what I'm using is a ring light in front of me and my iPhone. I'm using the iPhone 7 Plus and it works pretty good. I've been wanting this studio light or this studio kit forever, and my husband's like, okay then, like, get it. He's like, si no usas eso lo voy a tirar a la basura. So I'm like, I better freaking start doing my videos back again, because I was lagging, and that's not good. And I have a kid, and I have a husband that's always so needy. I don't know, I just want to see the difference, if it's actually gonna help me out. I mean, if you've seen my videos, you know how I have my little chimney set up right here, and you can't see it because of this mirror, but you know, like I have that right there, and that was my backdrop. I just wanted to try this and see if it's actually worth it. I hope it's worth it. It wasn't that expensive. I think I paid like about $112 for that kit, and it comes with I think it comes with 2 soft boxes and 2 umbrellas. The umbrellas, I think they're like white umbrellas, and there's like a gold one and a black one. So I need to play a little bit with that, but yeah, I'm so excited to try that out. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna get it tonight, probably by 8. I think I seen that in the app. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it about that time. Oh, I can't wait. You know how I feel right now? I don't know if you've seen that meme where that lady takes out her chair and sits by the freaking, it's falling. She takes out her chair and literally sits by the mailbox to receive her package. I think that's gonna be me, because I can freaking wait to set it up. And of course I'm gonna do a video of the unboxing and how to set it up. But yeah guys, tell me what's up, what's the tea. I feel like I've been under a rock for like 2 weeks already. I've been missing out in life. Not just kidding. I've been enjoying life with family. I just recently quit my job because I feel like I fall behind at the house, doing the laundry, even washing the dishes, cleaning around basically. So that I feel like the house starts to fall apart. Yeah, and so I talked to my husband, and then he was also telling me that, you know, that like the house needed me. So I think it's time for you to be home. And I mean, it's always good to help out your husband with the, you know, with whatever he needs to pay and stuff. It feels good, but it feels also good to be home and be part of your house. Like, my job will like consume most of my day. Dude, I cannot do my freaking eyebrows today. What the hell? I will start like around 9:45. That's the time I was supposed to be there, but I was always late. Like, I was always there like by 9, like almost 10. And I feel really bad because like they never said anything. So I was like, damn, I'm a really, really bad person if you think about it. Like, on that, I mean, in that aspect, because I was like, damn, bro, like, if it was any other job, they would be like, this is your second 30, you're freaking fired. So I was like, damn, like, they wouldn't tell me anything. They were really nice people, though. My boss and the wife, too, she was really nice as well. Didn't really, like, get to know her as a person. I think I talked to her like maybe like in person, like maybe like twice or 3 times, but that was only on the meetings, and that was it. Like I was telling you, I work at a Metro PCS store nearby my house. I live in the smallest town ever. Like, everything's like within, I mean, not walking distance, but like it was like 7 minutes from my house. Some of the customers, I would see them often. And I met this lady. She was really, really sweet. Like, on the outside, you would think, man, she's really tough. She had tattoos, and she was like, she wouldn't wear makeup or nails or anything like that. But later on, I found out that it was because she had this partner or, you know, boyfriend, but that guy would beat her up. Like, sometimes I would see her with a bruised eye or bruises on her arms, or I don't know, but that to me broke my heart because I was like, damn, like, she seems like she's a tough, like a really, really tough girl, and just seeing her that she would get beat up by this person. And I would tell her, you know what, like, you are better without him, you know. And then like some days she will come in and she will be like, I finally left him, I did it. She would be so happy, and then she would be looking really pretty, you know, trying to get ready and get her nails done and things like that. But then she will be like, oh, like, he's following me, and like, I'm not gonna fall for it again because he won't change. And you know how the pattern on that is basically that they get tired, but they also love that person, and they just cannot leave him. Not because they're not strong enough, it's just like in their head they think that the guy is gonna change, and it's crazy. I don't know, it's just like, we cannot judge those girls that don't leave the guy just because, you know, we think, oh my god, she should leave him, one day she's gonna get killed, whatever. Like, they know that they could get really hurt, but they just love that person, or they're just like not ready to move on. So yeah, it was really, really sad. I would talk to her and be like, mujer, really strong, you should like What the heck? Oh, FedEx. FedEx is here. It is for me, honey. Alright, let me put my microphone back on. But yeah, like one day she will be like so happy and things like that, and then like the other she like would come with him and pretend that everything was normal, or she would be like so happy that she was back with him, and I would be like normal, like if she had never talked to me or told me anything, because like I mean, what if I did like a wrong look or whatever, and then he will like be like, what the hell is going on, you know what I mean? And then be her again. That's why I would be like scared to even look. And to be honest, dude, like the guy wouldn't even look crazy. That's the worst thing about it, that he looks like if he's a really nice guy, but then you actually know what's going on. Can you imagine? Like, damn, bro. Like, it's crazy. You never know what kind of person you're gonna find out there. And that's what it is. It's like they play with you, because like they pretend they're like really nice guy, and then when he feels like he's in control, then that's it. Like, nah, you don't have a voice here. Whenever I will talk to her, I will like, just be strong. Just be happy, literally. Like, whatever makes you happy, go for it. That's what it is in life. Oh, but I broke my nose. My freaking pinky went in my nose. Like, oh, shoot. When you work in customer service, you literally have a little bit of everything, I swear. You're like a psychologist. You get to see like people that, like, some would be like really self-centered. Some would be like that they're psychics and things like that. Like, okay, you get to know so many type of people. And yeah, you would have those bad customers that would come and yell at you because they think because you work there they just talk to you. However, so I have more respect for people, because you have to be really, really patient when you work in customer service. You have to, like, you have no other way. I had a customer, and she was an older lady, and she just basically, we had a policy that whenever you would like purchase a phone, and if it was an upgrade, it would be like final sale.
She comes and she's like, I don't understand this phone, like this phone is whack, I don't want it, I want another phone.
I was like, oh, okay, let me see what I can do for you. And then she was really aggressive. She was like,
nah, you guys like are trying to steal from me?
I was like, let me see if I can help you. Maybe if you don't understand how it works, I can explain to you or help you out, you know? Yeah, she was just like really rude, and she wouldn't listen. She wouldn't, like, she was just like, no.
I want my money back, or I want a different phone.
I was like, okay, yeah, okay. Let me see your receipt and see what I can do for you. I get the receipt, and it has her signature where we explained that it was an upgrade, that we could not take the phone back. And yeah, so whenever I seen that it was an upgrade and that she had signed the paper, I was like, ma'am, we explained to you that this was final sale. And she was
like, no, you guys didn't explain anything. You guys said that I could return it within 7 days, and that like I could take another phone, this and that.
And she was just like yelling and yelling, and I was like, ma'am, your signature is right there.
She's like, no, you fucking bitch.
And she started yelling at me, and I was like, okay, like, first of all, like, calm down, like, look, this is what happened, and blah, blah, blah. And she's like, and I was like, okay, ma'am, thank you, have a good day. And it was crazy, because that day we had a new girl training, and she was like, did that just happen? And I was like, girl, in this, you have to learn to deal with anything. Like, anything. And I had like maybe like 3 or 4 of those customers in a period of, I was working there for about 3 years. Yeah, I had really good experiences working there. But yeah, that is the story of my job. And I'm ready.
Alright. That's the best that I can do. Yeah,
Alright, so now let me just my setting spray and I'm done. I have to go pick up my son. My eye. Listo. Alright, so I'm ready. Let's go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and also don't forget to watch my next video, which is gonna be talking about my new photography kit, which is gonna have my softboxes, umbrellas, and the backdrops. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. Thank you so much for watching, and also if you're new to this channel, sorry I didn't even introduce myself. My name is Esme, but you guys can call me Lalis. So yeah, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already, just please subscribe, give it a like, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can receive, get informed whenever I post a new video. And yeah, alright, so I gotta go, guys. Thank you, and see you till the next one. Bye.